Unraveling the mystery of breath sounds. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating part of the English language, medical phrases. Specifically, we're going to explore what we mean when we say breath sounds. This is a common term in healthcare, and understanding it can be really useful, especially if you're interested in medical topics or working on improving your English for a healthcare setting. Breath sounds are the noises produced by the air moving through the respiratory system. They can be heard when someone breathes in, inhales, and out, exhales. These sounds are often used by doctors and nurses to assess the health of the lungs and airways. Knowing about breath sounds is crucial because they can give clues about a person's lung health. For example, certain types of sounds can indicate if there's fluid in the lungs, if the airways are narrowed, or if there's something else affecting the breathing. There are several types of breath sounds. Normal breath sounds. These are the sounds of air moving through the large airways like the wind in the trees. Abnormal breath sounds. These include wheezing, crackling, or whistling, and can signal a problem. Medical professionals use a tool called a stethoscope to listen to these sounds. By knowing what each type of sound means, they can make better decisions about a patient's care. We hope this video has clarified the meaning of breath sounds for you. Remember, while it's a medical term, it's not just for doctors and nurses. Anyone can learn about it and understand the basics. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful language lessons.